The crypto market is going through a rough patch right now. While Bitcoin is staying strong above 60K, altcoins are seeing their prices drop across the board. But if you've been following my channel, you know I believe that the crypto bull run is still in its early stages. This current market correction could actually be a fantastic buying opportunity. In today's video, I'm going to dive into 5 hidden gem cryptos that I believe have huge potential for the second half of 2024 once the market bounces back. Make sure to watch until the end because the last project on the list has the biggest short-term upside due to a major catalyst event happening this month.
Before we dive in, I want to point out that these coins have very small market caps, making them highly volatile. The money I've invested in them is money I can afford to lose without regrets. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just my thoughts and observations. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.
This month has been rough for crypto. Sure, Bitcoin hit its all-time high at the start of the month, but since then, the volume and traffic have been dead. We need something to change. And memecoins is absolutely the trending narratives we couldn't ignore. So, let's talk about Brett, a character cooked up by Matt Fury, the same mind behind Pepe the Frog. Brett's not just any meme coin. He's the first in the base ecosystem to hit a whopping $1.6 billion market cap. While Pepe's got this massive Twitter following, Brett's still building his with 97,000 followers, showing there's plenty of room to grow. See, positioning Brett as Pepe's best bud creates a cool storyline and ties him into that whole Pepe universe, which could really boost his popularity. Plus, being part of Matt Fury's Boys Club comic adds some backstory and depth. And get this, there's another meme coin on base that could outshine them all in growth potential. Stay tuned to find out who could be the next big thing in base. Moving on, Foxy is a meme coin I've mentioned before, and it's the official meme coin of the Linea Layer 2 blockchain. Unlike many meme coins, Foxy boasts a clear team, strategy, and strong exchange support, which are crucial for its security and credibility. When investing in meme coins, trust in the team is vital to avoid rug pulls. Foxy is a standout because it's backed by the Linea blockchain and has consistent support from both Linea and MetaMask, which are part of Consensus, the powerhouse behind Ethereum. They frequently engage on Twitter, showing solid social backing. Foxy's also integrated into campaigns like Linea's Linear Power User, where users can claim Foxy airdrops using LXP token points. Initially, Foxy tokens were airdropped to MetaMask swap users, highlighting its strategic integration. On the exchange front, Foxy is listed on OKX, a significant achievement for a meme coin. With Linea's major launch expected in the second half of the year and ongoing campaigns like Linear Surge, Foxy is well positioned to benefit from the hype. Historical successes of similar projects in other ecosystems, like Brett in the base ecosystem, suggest Foxy could do well. With backing from a reputable company like Consensus, Foxy offers a safer bet in the meme coin space compared to others led by anonymous teams. Now we're looking at Dog with Hat, ticker SWIFT. It's currently trading at $2 with a market cap of $2 billion. That makes it a top 44 coin on CoinMarketCap. In terms of volume, it's at number 13 with 350 million, which is insane. There are a lot of articles talking about great things happening with this project. One article mentioned how it slumped 30% in a week, but then reversed, which is why we're seeing this pump now. Over the month, it's down 43%. It had a massive nosedive, but is now pumping a bit. Remember, this project was at $4 at one point, so it's down more than 50% in the past month alone. It was anticipated to hit $5 during the peak of the bull run, with some even predicting $10. So there's a great opportunity to pick up some SWIFT. Next on my radar is Phantom. Though it's a well-known name in the crypto space, I'm particularly excited about it this year due to its major upgrade, Sonic. Sonic is a hyper-scalable Layer 1 blockchain, capable of over 2,000 transactions per second, a massive leap from Phantom's old Opera chain, which could only handle 200. While many projects claim high transaction speeds, only a few, like Solana and Aptos, actually deliver. Phantom has the potential to join these ranks thanks to its long history and strong foundation. Now, let's talk about the new S token. This token will replace the current Phantom token, FTM, on a 1.1 basis and includes additional supply for community airdrops, encouraging activities like staking and liquidity provision on Sonic. This new token, combined with Phantom's existing listings on major exchanges like Binance, should bring renewed interest and hype. Phantom's history of innovation, dating back to the Opera Chain's launch in 2019, bolsters my confidence in their ability to pull this off. Moreover, the S-token airdrops, valued at around $120 million over 6 months, are set to significantly boost Phantom's total value locked (TVL) from $100 million to over $1 billion. The project has also garnered new funding from key DeFi figures, ensuring robust support and integration with top protocols from day one of Sonic's launch. Despite underperforming compared to competitors like Solana, Phantom's new upgrades and increased TVL could help it catch up, potentially pushing its market cap to $7 to $8 billion, with the possibility of reaching $15 to $20 billion. This could mean a 10x return, making Phantom a compelling investment opportunity. Last but not least, on my today list is Connext Network with its new token, Connext. Known as one of the original interoperability protocols from the last bear market, Connext has recently launched its biggest upgrade, Everclear. Everclear tackles the cross-chain interoperability problem by focusing on scaling and chain abstraction. This means users can use dApps without switching networks or buying new tokens for gas, thanks to intense and third-party providers handling cross-chain functionalities. What's exciting is that Everclear reduces the need for users to bridge assets, as 80% of bridged funds typically return within 24 hours. This creates a bridge clearing layer between market makers, centralized exchanges, and DeFi protocols. I'm bullish on Connext's next token for several reasons. First, the Everclear Alpha mainnet will launch in early Q3, making the next token the native token of this clearing layer. Second, the cross-chain interoperability sector includes giants like Layer 0, Axelar, and Wormhole, with FDVs in the $2 to $10 billion range. Connext's next token, however, has a much lower FDV of $220 million, indicating huge growth potential. Although it's currently trading low due to limited exchange listings, it has strong backing from Polychain, Panta, Consensus, and partners like Arbitrum, Celestia, and Eigenlayer. Once Everclear goes live, major exchange listings are expected. Everclear is also more future-proof than other cross-chain providers, addressing not just bridging, but also chain abstraction, intent solvers, and modularity. This comprehensive approach makes Everclear one of my hidden gem picks in the DeFi sector.
All right, if you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more useful content in the future. Thanks for watching, and feel free to let us know your perspectives in the comment section. One more time, we're Whiteboard Invest Crew, and welcome on board, my friends. Peace out.